Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Are you facing difficulty when importing invoices and sale orders from other platforms using CSV or Excel files, and they aren't linked to each other, leading to confusion and errors in your Odoo system? Then this module is perfect for you. Introducing Invoice Line Mapping module. This module makes it easy to connect invoice lines with the corresponding sale order lines directly from the invoice screen. It adds a new button called Map Sale Line to the invoice form. When you click this button, it opens a simple wizard that lets you match specific invoice lines to the right sale order lines. Let's see how this module works. Let's start by installing module. You can find this module in Odoo apps under Name Invoice Line Mapping. Now create new sales order and fill necessary details and save. And here we will create separate invoice. Click on New and select the same customer. Add products and save. Once you confirm, you will see the option Map Sale Line. It will open a wizard, and in the sale order field, select the particular sale order created in the previous steps. In the sale order line section, select the line which you map to invoice line. Then click on the Apply button. After, the invoice and sale order will be linked to each order. Thank you for watching this video.